What's going on, guys? Today we're going over how do I know when to enter a trade. This is step by step. We're going to go over it on the Weeble account, so check it out. Um, we're going to be going over Neo, XPEV, Baba, and Visa. Those are my top pickers when it comes to trading stocks. Or someone asked me, and this is a constantly asked question in my alert room. It's how do you know when to enter a trade? Because when meaning them, meaning my members or some people that I talk to, when I enter a trade, it always goes south. But when you enter a trade, it's perfect somehow. So could you explain to me how you do that? So let's go over Neo. We called that. We were actually in the position for a little bit, but on December 31st, we were holding Visa, Baba, XPEV, and Neo, and Nvidia. But we're not going to go over Nvidia because it's in a loss, and we actually closed that for a loss. So let's go over Neo. Type that in the tickers. Basically, how I knew is because if we look using Weeble, it's super easy to look at charts. Make sure you're always looking at the daily chart when to enter. If you're entering that day, make sure you're looking at the daily chart, but look at the 1 minute to enter at a precise entry. 1 minute's always for precise. Everything else is just for good spots to enter for swing trades. So as we can see, Neo ended up coming to a low, and it came to this low about 3 times. We see this 38, 40, 30 right there. Then it came down again, and then it came down the third time. So Neo came to the low, and we're like, okay, it's a good time to enter. It is looking bullish, so we jumped in. I just look for like straight up, easy to see patterns that are happening. Like if Neo was up top where it is right now, like I would not enter. Like say today was Monday, I wouldn't enter. So, but we got in 3 days before, we swung it up for 40%, and we are going long on Neo. Neo does look like a good trade to go long on, so we are going long on it. But you just gotta remember, pivot points and high and low resistances. You see right now it did get rejected, but that is a triple top where it's at. So if it breaks above starting Monday, which I think it is because we got the Neo day going on and all this other stuff, we were going to watch it run to 57, maybe even 60. So we do have a really good position on Neo. Did close because it got rejected, but I still have the entry. I'm still holding the 1. Closed at the 40. Holding the 1. We'll buy in Monday if it breaks the top. If it doesn't break the top, we'll wait. We'll wait on the next entry, but I think it will break the top. So next one we got is XPEV. Let's see. So XPEV, what did I see here? It literally just held this bottom resistance. Like Weeble, this is Boulder Bands. It held the bottom, so we entered because it looked bullish, and we are still holding Neo or XPEV because it looks like it's gonna break the top. But it did get rejected from this previous 42.84. But as you see after hours, it's at 43.30, so we can see a higher run up. Let's go over. And if you haven't met my dog yet, check it out. Little Mitchell. Look, Mitchell. Look. Little Mitchell, the little cutie. All right, next one we're going over is Baba. So check it out, Baba. Honestly, if you didn't see this coming, we saw a red bull flag. It dropped a good $30. A red bull flag, it dropped $30. And then it just became bullish the next day, so we entered. We entered for a long swing. It's still above the resistances, so it looks good. I mean, if you did a weekly expo on this, it would have been way better, but we were taking it safe. But Baba looks, it's a big company. It's like literally China, Amazon. So um, just plain and simple. I don't mean that's a hard one to know, but it's plain and simple for some people. Um, let's go with Visa. Visa is actually a good one. You can probably learn from this one. How do we know? Basically, it just bottomed out 3 times and took off. I just look for low resistances. So right here, the 203 to the next 204 to the next 204 just looked like that was a support. So we got in, But if it fell the next day, it went down, we would have been out. But it ran up. We're up 70%. Let's see, 63%. Closed half of my contracts, but still pretty good. $600, $400 profit. And it looks to be still bullish, so we're taking Visa to 270, and that is how I find entries on stocks. Hope this helped you guys. If it did, leave a like, subscribe, and if you want more content, post a comment on what you want, and I'll try to get you a video out as soon as possible. Thanks.